Welcome back to my channel. Ladies and gentlemen, forgive the shades. I've just flown in and I feel a bit of a mess. My hair is a haystack and my face could be better, so I'm hiding half of it. Now I'm about to head into town. It's May. You can see it's beautiful weather. We're in the middle of asparagus season here. The sort of fat, chunky white asparagus is really popular here this time of year, and it's best eaten when you're sitting in a restaurant absolutely surrounded by the fields where it's grown. And you know that when you eat asparagus that way, it's been harvested that morning and it's super fresh. So I'm going to go into town and I'm going to eat asparagus, and with a bit of luck I can take you with me and show you what that looks like. So later. I've decided to go by public transport because if I have a glass of wine I'm not going to want to drive. So it's just got cooler and the weather is turning, and I'm hoping that I won't have to gallop across the fields in the streaming rain. That's really gonna annoy me. It's really quite windy all of a sudden, and I'm glad I've got my furry microphone. I got myself an external microphone for my iPad, and it's got one of those furry sleeves. It looks like something the cat's bathed up, and it really seems to work. Just a short walk to the restaurant, and it's a pretty one. The other side of the tracks is a huge ad for McDonald's, but I'm about to eat something way healthier. Buttercups, straight line back into town. There's pretty gardens everywhere. It's so lovely this time of year. Right, I have found the sign, and so I'm gonna have to start hiking across the fields, but it's worth it. This is what it looks like. It's not very decorative or pretty, but it's got covers on top to keep the heat in. There we are. Still hiking. They make their own wine too, and quite successfully. It's really popular. I'm just hoping I can get a table. So many cars. Oh, I'm beginning to fret. I should have made a booking. It's a farm shop, of course. And here is the famous asparagus. This is the machine that peels the asparagus. Since they're using such industrial strength quantities of asparagus every day, they need to automate it. It's a really tiresome job. Look at this. Elegant. Fantastic, I love it. And it looks like there's room. I'm even gonna have room to sit outside, which is unusual. So this is the menu. It's a very simple affair. And I've ordered some white asparagus, with wine and a sort of pancakey thing. You'll see what I mean. It's a sort of crispy pancake, shredded crispy pancake with herbs, and it's delicious. So you start with a tiny little pot of the water that the asparagus is cooked in, and this is the wine they suggest as an accompaniment to the asparagus. You can see it's a very simple setup. It's kind of rustic German, but it's a huge place. Refreshment for the dogs, of course. And this is it. Huge portion. White asparagus with melted butter and chives. And my herby pancakes. So, check in with you later. Okay, I'm making excellent progress. Okay, in my defense, it was delicious, but I have left nothing for Mr. Manners. I am waiting for this terrible, soulless, empty expanse of tablecloth to be filled with strawberries and cream. Like a miracle. Ah, danke schön. My new challenge. And this charming background noise is the sound of people eating delicious food. And this is where they hide the good stuff. And here they're displaying all the prizes they've won for various things. Pretty impressive. And more. They seem to be winning heaps of prizes for their wines. Gorgeous video about their wine production just at the entrance. Let me see if I can catch some of it. It's actually rather more interesting than I thought. This is the man in charge. Very ambitious and smart young man. Oh yes. Incredible. Cool. I'm off to the shop to get a couple of bottles of wine to take home. And as always, I thank you for watching. Passing the parked cars. I'm on my way back to the station to get into town. This is one huge vehicle, and this is a bizarre thing. I mean, this just looks like he has a pair of enormous black balls attached to his can't be, surely. But what do you think this is? I'm flabbergasted. Just waiting for my train back into Stuttgart now, and there is some really spectacular street art, or if you want, graffiti. I like to think of it as street art. I think that's terrific. So much better than grey concrete, isn't it? The mushrooms and the wild boar. Right, where was I? The mushrooms and the wild boar are spectacular. Huh, lovely. What a bonus.